Hello everyone, welcome to TechizVibe. Today's video is about how to download Android Studio and SDKs. SDK means Software Development Kit. And Android Studio is the official IDE for Android application development. So let's start by searching on Google. Type download Android Studio. Click on the first result, developer.android.com. It will redirect to the page where we can download Android Studio supported to our system. Version is 3.5.3, having 718 MB. As my system is Windows 64-bit, it is automatically showing the download package. If you need to download for Mac or Linux, you can scroll down. Under Android Studio Downloads, you can see the other downloadable packages. Now, click on Download Android Studio, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Download Android Studio for Windows. Downloading will take some time. Once it's downloaded, click on that file. Now a setup wizard is opened. Click on Next. Check the components you need to install. Then click Next. This window will show you the default location of installation. Click Next. Then click on Install button. Installation will take some time. Once it is completed, click on Next, then Finish. Since you don't have import settings, click on Do not import settings. Then click OK. Now Android Studio will open. Wait for some seconds. This is the first window of Android Studio. In this, you can see Start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, etc. And in down, you can see Configure. On click, you will get Avd Manager, SDK Manager, Settings, Plugins, etc. Now click on SDK Manager. Check Show Package Details. It will show you all package details you can install. You need to keep this window updated always. We don't have to install everything. You need to download Android SDK platform for all operating system and also sources for Android. If Google API is available for some operating system, download that too. System image here is image for virtual device. It is up to you how many of these images you need to download. Then click OK. Downloading will take a lot of time. After that, we need to select SDK tools. Select every tools as that will be better because most of the things here are very important like Android SDK platform tools, Android SDK tools, etc. Then click OK and downloading will start. This will also take a lot of time, so we need to wait. Now we can go with Avd Manager. Click on Create Virtual Device. In Phone, select 1. I am selecting Pixel 2, which has 1080 by 1920 resolution. Click Next. Select an operating system name. If it is not downloaded, click on the download link in the side of the release name. I am selecting Oreo here. Click Next. Verify the configuration. You can change AVD name. You can select the view as portrait or landscape according to your preference. Then click on Finish. Wait for some time and you can see your device in the list. Click on Start button. Now it will open. This will also take some time according to your RAM. Basically, Android Studio and Android Virtual Device will take some time to load. Minimum RAM needed for Android Studio is 4 GB, but the truth is it will make your system very slow when Android Studio is opened. So better you need to increase your RAM to 8 or 16 GB. If you also agree with this concept, please comment below. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching.